This silent killer is making you fat and sick. See our full article linked below. It can also be found on our website blog at www.elementsforlife.com.au. You've probably heard for a long time how important it is to keep a balanced diet in order to stay in excellent health and at your ideal weight. Numerous studies have shown a correlation between unhealthy diets high in refined carbohydrates, sugar, and saturated fats, and almost every chronic disease. Many people still haven't altered their diets or asked food producers to provide higher quality meals, though. Inflammation brought on by low-quality diets is directly linked to diabetes, heart disease, arthritis, cancer, and a host of other serious illnesses. What is inflammation? A typical immunological response in the body is inflammation. Your body sends chemicals and white blood cells to fight against injury or external invaders like a virus or bacterium. This helps your body heal and defend itself from disease. This naturally benefits your health and keeps you in good condition. So what occurs when inflammation is chronic? Your immune system goes into overdrive when your body is out of balance, leading to chronic inflammation, weight gain, pain, and disease. Even when the immune system of the body is aroused, but there is no threat from an outside invader, chronic inflammation still takes place. One of the main causes of chronic inflammation is food, which is also the main treatment. Foods that promote chronic inflammation. You are well aware of the detrimental effects that highly processed and refined foods have on your health. In addition to causing obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, cancer, autoimmune illnesses, and a host of other serious health issues, refined sugars and grains are nutritionally devoid. Another significant risk factor for illness is saturated fats. You might be surprised to learn that some meals have a higher propensity to aggravate inflammation and the immune system. You may experience hormonal imbalance, mood swings, joint pain, sinus and respiratory troubles, headaches, digestive problems, exhaustion, and weight gain when your body reacts to these low-level allergens. With the possible exception of weight gain, the symptoms appear gradually over time, and the cause is rarely connected to eating. As a result, you might seek comfort through medicine or other diagnostic and therapeutic methods, but if your diet doesn't alter, you won't experience long-lasting relief. The number one quickest and easiest method for combating and defeating inflammation. When prepared correctly, a green smoothie is a great meal substitute that gives you a ton of essential nutrients and lowers inflammation in your body. Fruits, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and other nutritious foods that are all main constituents in green smoothies are anti-inflammatory nutrients. Green smoothies are easy to incorporate into your diet, enjoyable, and when prepared properly, they can taste like dessert. There are numerous combinations and recipes that keep things tasty and exciting. You will see and feel the improvement in your health after just a few days, even if you simply replace one meal per day. As a reminder, the full blog article is linked below with all the additional information and potential solutions. For more videos like this, please visit our Elements for Life YouTube channel, and for access to the best holistic fitness and health products, please visit our website online shop at www.elementsforlife.com.au/shop.